This is the Boss Lady Trucker coming to you with another episode of Do It Yourself to keep your wheels turning so you can keep on earning. Today's video is on how to change an engine air filter in a Volvo with a D13 engine. The engine air filter's purpose is to keep dirt, sand, and debris out of the engine. Most engine air filters are under the hood in front of the trucks. Now, the benefits of having a clean air filter are improved fuel efficiency, engine longevity, reduced emissions, improved engine performance, and lower repair cost. And since I'm changing the air filter myself, I am saving myself time and money. Now, a dirty engine air filter can significantly affect the truck's performance by restricting airflow to the engine, which leads to a decreased acceleration, increased fuel consumption, potential engine misfires, unusual engine noises, reduced horsepower, and possibly engine damage. So, changing the engine air filter is a must in order to save your engine.